Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can block someone in Among Us. Now to block someone in Among Us, you need to be friends with them. So let's say I click on friends at the top right, it's going to show me two of my friend. And if I want to block someone, I need to click on this button right beside their name. So let's say I want to block Epsol. Right beside his name, you can see this little, cross icon. I need to click on it. Once I click on it, it says block player. So I'm sure I want to block that player, so I will click and confirm. Once I do that, the player will be blocked. Now remember, if you block a player, they will be unfriended automatically as well. So if I go on my friends list, the friend's name is not going to be over here. Because once you block someone, they will automatically unfriend them as well. Now let's say you want to unblock them again. You need to click on this button to unblock them and click on this icon and click and confirm. Now once you unblock them, you can send them a friend request again and add them as a friend. So as you guys can see, they are no longer in my friends list even after I unblock them, because as I said, once you block someone, they will automatically be removed from your friend list. Even if you unblock them, they will no longer be your friends. So that is how you guys can block someone in Among Us. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.